Hey Gems, welcome back, it's Lorraine, and today I'm here with a sad day for my channel because this is my last Boxycharm unboxing. I've decided that to keep myself on a budget, I need to cut out all the foolishness, and that includes Boxycharm. I'm very sad because, as you guys know, Boxycharm unboxings were like my one video that I did every single month, and I honestly did love receiving these boxes. I'm not canceling because I'm not in love with the service or the products I received. I just need to get my budget in check and be realistic about my spending habits. And this is definitely a habit that I love but don't need. I have so much makeup that I was consistently giving things away that I received in this, and what's the point of paying for something like that? So I'm just being realistic. This is gonna be my last unboxing, and honestly I only received this month's box to A, do one last video, and B, because I had points with them and I wanted to get something for those points. I had almost $100 worth of points from them, and I did get a lot of those points through referrals and also reviews, but every month I think you get like 10 points per box or something like that. So, and I've been with them practically since they started. It'd been a couple years. It's been like 2-3 years I was getting this. So you know what? Sad day, but that's life. You gotta grow. You gotta adult sometimes. We're adulting by canceling this. But first off, with that said, let me show you guys the things I redeemed my points for. So I had like 96, 98 points. I still have like under $10, and I'm like, that there's literally nothing in the charm box, or the charm room that they call it, for me to trade them in for, and everything else is like $34, and I'm not interested, so I'm just gonna let those points go. The two items that I did go ahead and splurge on was the Better Skin Lava Magic Cleanser Scrub Mask 3-in-1. This is $32, and I was like, you know what? Let's use my points. Why not? Comes with a little spatula like this. You open it up, and it looks like that. I haven't used it yet. I literally just got them. This says it's a daily cleanser, exfoliating scrub, and revitalizing mask. It has calendula, sweet orange, and grapeseed oils, cucumber, parsley, and chamomile for healthy, radiant, more youthful looking skin. Looking forward to using this. I'm all about that scrubby, masky skincare life, so very excited for that. And the other product I got, which was like the major splurge for this, and I was like, you know what, at that price point, I'm not going to spend the money, but if it's practically free, let's go for it. I got the Sunday Riley Martian Mattifying Melting Water Gel Toner. This is a $55 product that I didn't spend anything on because I just got it for points. So yay for that. I have been using it. It's already lifted a little bit. It's one of those that you like squeeze and it goes up as you finish it up. So it is up to like here. No big deal. I've only used it maybe 5 to 6 times, but I am excited about it. I am liking it so far. And yeah, this is, again, pretty pricey. So I was like, if I can get it for free before I cancel this, I'm gonna go ahead and do that. So it says it instantly transforms from a cooling gel to a water toner as it clarifies, removes oil, and visibly tightens pores for clear, matte skin. Do I see it doing all of that? Yes, I do. I really like her. So, excited that I got that. So yes, let's get into the final box. I did get a couple boxes since my last updates, and I'm sorry about that. I don't think I posted for November or December. The end of the year was just really hectic. But let's go with the last one of the year, or of my YouTube history. This is the Box and Chill January themed Boxycharm, and we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 products ranging from 24, 18, 36, 20, and 12. Not bad. Alright, let's go with the $12 product. It says Briogeo Roscado Milk Reparative Leave-In Conditioning Spray, 2 ounces. This retails for $12. Effectively restore your hair softness, manageability, moisture, and shine with Briogeo's Rosarco Milk Spray, infused with signature blend of ultra-nourishing rosehip, argan, and coconut oils. The spray works to detangle wet hair and protects against heat while locking in moisture, restoring luster, and diminishing frizz. I like Briogeo. They're a brand that's carried at Sephora, so they are pretty pricey. $12 sounds about right for their travel size product. So yay for that. I know I like these guys, so I'm looking forward to giving that a shot. And I have been doing a little bit more to my hair recently, so it's nice to have another heat protectant. I'm almost out of my Tresemme, so yay for that. Next, the Ofra Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick. I've read these descriptions before. Just delivers long-lasting color that perfectly outlines and fills in lips. Stunning pigments stay put all day with minimal transfer while maintaining a comfortable wear. Infused with vitamin A and antioxidants, your lips will look and feel healthy all day. Retails for $20. And then I got to the shade, this is the newer packaging. I really love Ofra liquid lips, but this doesn't tell me what the shade is. Oh no, never mind, I just had to adjust. I'm used to it being on the bottom, but this is in Miami Fever, which if I'm not mistaken is the Kathleen Lights shade. So that's super cool. Yeah, this is that super nice orangey brown shade that Kathleen Lights came up with Ofra. So yay for that. It's definitely one of my favorite liquid lip products. So very excited to get that one, and I don't have that shade. Alright, then we've got the Tarte Limited Edition Rainforest of the Sea Highlighting Eyeshadow Palette Volume 3. So this vegan crease-free shadow palette and features 7 highly reflective plush micro shimmers and 1 matte nude that serves as a perfect transition shade. The blendable and longwear formula is enriched with vitamin E and antioxidants, helping to hydrate and protect the lids. This is the one that retails for $36, and I've seen this before. Really pretty shades. Excited for this one. Always exciting to get a palette. This isn't the first Tarte that we receive. It'll be my last, but at least I'm going out with a bang, right? So yay for that. Then we've got the Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Face Mask. This is a 2-pack. Okay. Oh yeah, there's 2. Alright. Goes like that. Nourish skin from within using this lightweight blend of rice germ oil, vitamin E, essential fatty acids, and highly concentrated botanical oils and extracts. Each mask is designed for maximum absorption, delivering 20 milliliters of skin-quenching serum and imparting an instant dewy luminous glow. A scientifically perfected trio of fermented Japanese anti-aging superfoods like green tea, rice, and algae instantly restore skin's health and radiance. These 2 are $24, and Tatcha is pretty expensive, so I'll believe that. So yes for that. I've always wanted to try them, but your girls are going to spend that kind of money on a face mask because I don't usually like sheet masks, so not having to spend to try an expensive brand, yes, I'm down for that. Last but not least, I have the $1 Billion Brows Universal Brow Pencil, specially and carefully formulated to work perfectly with most skin tones and brow colors. Self-sharpening pencil glides onto your brows without tugging or pulling your skin. The spoolie at the end makes for easy blending, and the smooth and creamy formula makes for easy application. Retails for $18, and yes, there's that. Ooh, I like this. Oh, and I like that it's not that weird triangle tip. It's actually like a pencil. So yay for that. Let's see the shade. Yeah, that'll work for me if I use the light hand. Even if I don't, it'll definitely work for my skin. So, my hair, whatever. You get it. That is it, guys. Again, I'm really sad that this is my final Boxycharm, but I have to be realistic with my budget and put on my big girl panties and cut this stuff out because I got a new car at the end of last year, so I have payments to make. I gotta get my life together, guys. So thank you for joining me on this Boxycharm journey. This won't be the end of my channel. It's just the end of the series on my channel, so thank you so much for sticking with it. If you do Boxycharm unboxings, or if you're a subscriber and you want to share with me the details of what you're still receiving, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to find out what goodies you got. Thank you again for watching my channel, though. If you're not a Gems, go ahead and hit the subscribe, hit the notification bell so you don't miss any updates. Thanks for watching, guys. I will talk to you very soon. I hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye!